Hello, so this is a tutorial if you're using an iPad, which I'm sure a lot of you are using one. So this is what it would look like when you log into Google Classroom. Now we're going to pretend like we're in Mr. Bobbin's class, and we're going to go into practice physical education because I'm going to be a student with you. So we click in here, the first one. Now it's going to be giving you a lot in the front page. It might be too much. So you always want to go to the all the way in the bottom here. There says stream, classroom, and people. You want to go to the middle one where it says classroom. You're going to click on that. Now these are all your steps. You have to do these steps every single day. So step 1, attendance. You're going to click on the attendance. Are you here today? You're going to click yes, and then make sure you are going to be turning it in. So you're going to say yes. You're going to click that yes, and then that's it. So once you click yes, it's going to say, a button is going to say turn in, and you're going to turn that in. If you want to speak to me, you're going to hit a private message down here. You're going to say hello, whatever it is you need help with. Now you're going to go back because you have to go through all the steps. So step 2, warm up. You have to hit it again, click it. Now you have to read everything. You can choose which side you'd like to try. Make sure to place your hands on top of your head and breathe during the break. So you want to make sure you read before you do anything. Then you're going to click it, and it's going to take you to YouTube where you're going to be watching and doing the warm up. When you're done with that, you're going to be going back to the top left corner. It says classroom all the way up here. You're going to click so you can go right back to the page. You're done with the warm-ups. You're going to click back, and go to part 3, which is where we're going to learn. So the lesson focus is exactly where you're going to be doing your challenges, your videos, and you're going to be reading everything to make sure you're learning for the day. So for Monday, you're going to be using calming techniques to help me when I get frustrated. So you want to read that first part out loud. And when you do the challenge, which is in the video down here, you want to make sure you're doing the challenge part. This is where you're going to learn. Say something you like about yourself whenever you miss a shot. That's very important for this lesson today. So you're going to be watching it the same way.
3, 2,
recreating
1,
this in
go.
your own home. When you're done with that, you're going to go back to the tippity top left part of the corner of the page. Classroom. You're going to go back. And then the last part is just the questioning. When you're going to do the questions, you have to click on it. It's going to take you to a whole new page down here. Click and open to answer some questions. You see the attachment, it says that K to 2. It's very important you do the assignments and the lessons for your grade level. This is kindergarten to 2nd grade. So I'm going to go here, open with Safari. You're going to answer the questions. K to 2, assignment number 1. Did you get frustrated during the game? I'll say yes. Sometimes I do. Was it hard to say nice things about yourself? A little. And are you awesome? Totally. You're going to hit submit. And then you're going to open assignment so you can see where you are. Now it's already turned in, if you can see all the way at the bottom. If you like to finish here, or if you want to unsubmit and you want to try it again, you can do that. But this one is already submitted. As you can see, there'll be a submit button. You're going to go back, and then that's it. After you're done with everything, let's go back to classroom. After you're done with everything, in the cool down and questioning section, there's also going to be a lot more other videos you can do when you're done with your lesson for the day, because you need 60 minutes a day. If you have any questions, you can always go back to the attendance portion. And then add yourself a comment. You can speak to Mr. T or myself. And, well, that's it. Have a great day.